That's a very good answer. Any other questions?
Hi, I'm Leila from The Independent. Bravo for your film. My question is on the way you directed the film. I felt that you allowed yourself to try something new at some points. And I felt there was some inspiration from François Truffaut, Les 400 coups. Maybe it's just in my mind and you had no reference to it whatsoever, but the scenes, especially when Aliar plays with his friends in the factory. And I felt you put some of your inspirations in the film and how now you're, putting some more of your guts into it. And also the film is about women. There's a big sentiment of sorority inside, how they all help each other, even when they don't agree with each other. And for a man to direct this is pretty peculiar how you manage to portray this sentiment on screen when you're a man.
خیلی ممنون. واقعیت اینه که من بار اولی که دارم فیلمنامه می‌نویسم تماماً با احساسم فیلمنامه می‌نویسم. به نظرم هنر چیزی جز احساس نیست. نظر من
نیست. Write a script, I put all my emotions in it. Art, as many people have said, art is emotion. I write with my heart. I write with my emotions. I write in accordance with my logic. Then I ask people like Peyman and Parminas, I give them my script to ask them what they think. Then sometimes I rewrite certain parts. But basically, I poured my heart into this film. That's very true indeed. When it comes to Truffaut, a lot of people have said to me that it's just like the 400 blows. People think about this, and it makes me feel very proud. I love Truffaut's films, Italian and French films. I absolutely adore them.